Namaste. This video is prepared by myself, Visalakshi, and presented by Ms. Sudha Saruni and Ms. Eldarasi. Namaste, children. Hope you all are well and safe. Class 5 Max Topic Angles Around You.
Before going into the session, try to answer the riddles. Expected learning outcomes. At the end of the session, you will be able to identify angles in objects around you, classify angles as acute, right, obtuse, and straight angle, measure angles using a protractor.
Yes, children. When one ray rotates away from another ray through a common point, geometric elements called angles are formed. The angles changes as we change the amount of rotation. See this picture. See this two ray here. One ray rotates away from the another ray through a common point. So it is called as angles are formed. Okay, the angle changes as we change the amount of rotation. See these angles, we have different sizes. So the angle changes as we change the amount of rotation. Okay, children, see this figure. In figure 1, the common point C of the two rays is known as the vertex. See here, common point of this two ray is called as vertex. Okay, and the two rays CA and CB, which make up angle, are known as the arms of the angle. See here, see the angle ray CA and CB, which makes up the angle. Okay, which make up the angle are known as arms. We can call it as arms of the angle. Okay, we use the symbol to denote an angle. For the last topic, we have some symbols for line and line segment, rays, like that. This symbol denotes an angle. So, the angle in figure 1 can be written as angle ACB. Angle ACB. Like this we have to write angle ACB. With the vertex in the middle. See here, in this name we mentioned the letter C in the middle, that is vertex. It can also be written as angle BCA with the vertex in the middle. We can also write it as angle BCA we have to put the vertex in the middle. We have to put this vertex in the middle. Okay, note that in each name the vertex C is in the middle. See here, angle ACB, angle BCA. In each we have mentioned the vertex in the middle. So this is called as arm of the angle. Okay, which make up the angle are known as arms of the angle. This is array CA and this is array CB. The common point is called as vertex. Yes, children, look at this. Can you find an angle in the given pictures? Quick. See here, they give an angle here. See, they marked angle in this sofa and this hanger. They marked angle here in this clock. See this hands. We have seen angles here. It is an arm of an angle. Here in the steps we have seen angle. Top of the house we have seen it is marked, angles are marked here. See this here also. See children, you also can observe some angles around you. You can get some angles in some objects like table or window, door. Okay, you can find out some angles around you. Okay, children, in before slides we have seen about how the angles are formed and what is vertex, what is the arms of the angle, everything we have seen. Here the standard unit for measuring an angle is degrees or radians. It is denoted by, see this is a symbol of degree. For example, in last lesson we have seen about line, segment, ray, how we use a symbol. Like that, for degree we have to put like this. To measure angles, we use an instrument called the protractor. So this is called a protractor. This we will see in the geometry box. This we can use to measure angles. Okay. See here, it has two scales. See, the outer scale and the inner scale. Okay, both the scales have 0 degree to 180 degree. Let us see here from this right side. We'll start from 0 and it will end on 180. So we call it as 0 degree to 180 degree. In that outer scale also we have seen from 0 to 180. Next, see this line we have to call it as baseline. What is this? Baseline. Okay, this is inner scale, this is inner scale, and this one is outer scale. See, we have numbers, right? The degrees we have. The inner scale we have from 0 to 180, same like in the outer scale in the opposite direction, from left to right. And this vertical line is in the center, no? It is called as center point. It is called as center point. This is called as a baseline. It is a center point, and this is a 0 degree to 180 degree inner scale, and in outer scale also we have the same number but in opposite direction, from left to right, here from right to left in inner scale. Okay, yes. Yes children, let us measure the angle given by using the protractor. See here children, step 1, place the protractor such that the center point coincides with the vertex of the angle. see the angle given like this, right? So we have to place the protractor coincides with the vertex. Place the center point coincides with the vertex of the angle. See here, center point coincides with the vertex. The baseline, see this is a baseline, I said no. The baseline coincides with one of the rays. Okay. Next, step 2. Look at the zero of the inner scale, which is in the direction of the ray. See, here from this we have to look at the inner scale, we have to look at. Okay, so start reading from 0 as 10, 20, 30 and so on till you reach the reading where the other ray coincides with the line of the outer side. See here. So from here we have to read the degrees. Okay. So until you reach the reading where the other ray coincides with the line of the outer side. So let us see here. This gives measure of the angle. This gives measure of the angle. So can you tell me now, what's the measure of this angle? Yes, 120 it was showing, no? 120. That we have to write. So we have to mark an arc. See, here we have to mark an arc and we should write 120 degree. Okay. This is an angle 120 degree. Next one. See the another one, children. How we have to measure an angle? First what we have to do? We have to place the protractor center point coincides with the vertex of the angle and the baseline coincides with one of the ray. Okay, center point coincides. See here, this is the center point of the protractor, right? It is coincides with the vertex and the baseline coincides with one of the ray. Next, look at the zero of the inner scale, which is in the direction of the ray. Okay, start reading from 0 as 10, 20 and so on until you reach the reading where the other ray coincides with the line of the outer side. See here, coincides with the outer scale. This gives the measure of the angle. So can you tell me measure of the angle? It's a 60 degree. Inner scale only we have to mark down the number from the inner scale. When the angle show like this, we have to check it on the inner scale degrees. Okay? Yes. Now, shall we mark now? See, we have to mark an arc like this and we should write degree 60 degree. Okay? Yes. Let us move on to the next one. See here, children. In this picture, the angles formed by the horizontal and vertical lines measure 90 degree. Such angles that measure 90 degree are called right angles. See here. In this picture, we have seen the angles formed, the edges. See, horizontal line and this vertical line. So it measures 90 degree. Such angles that measure 90 degree are called right angles. Okay. So let us see some examples. I will show you how the right angles are formed like this. It will be look like a L shape. Okay, wherever maybe. See like this. Look like a L shape. Horizontal and the vertical line joins meet. It is called as a right angle. It measures 90 degree. Okay. See here, any angle smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. So you all know what is right angle. It measures 90 degree. If it is lesser than right angle, it is called an acute angle. Okay, see here, acute angles measure between 0 degree and 90 degree. So the angle will be like this. See here. So the angle will be like this. It is lesser than 90 degree. So it is called an what? Acute angle. Okay, it is called an acute angle. Smaller than 90 degree. Smaller than 90 degree. Any angle smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. It measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay? Yes. Yes, children. Next we are going to see about obtuse angle. Any angle bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. So, right angle measures 90 degree. If it is more than 90 degree, it is an obtuse angle. See here, obtuse angles measures between 90 degree and 180 degree. It will be more than 90 degree. Okay, between 90 degree and 180 degree. The angles will be like this. How the obtuse angle will look? See here. This is called obtuse angle. See, it looks more than 90 degree, right? So already I said if it is 90 degree, it looks like a L shape, horizontal and vertical line. Straight, it looks straight, horizontal and vertical line. It looks like a L, letter L shape. So when you see this angle, it looks like more than right angle. So it is called an obtuse angle. It is called an obtuse angle. Okay. Yes. I will show some examples of acute angle and obtuse angle. The next slide. See children, these are the sum of the examples of acute angle. While seeing this degree, you can note it. It's all less than 90 degree. Okay. See here, 53, 30 degree, 75 degree. So it is a acute angle. These are all the examples of acute angle. See children, these are the sum of the examples of obtuse angle. It is more than 90 degree. See, look at this angles. It is more than 90 degree. So it is called an obtuse angle. Okay. Here the next one is the angle formed is a straight angle. When you stretch your hand like this, This is called a straight angle. Straight angle have a measure of 180 degree. Okay, so this is a straight angle. So what are all the angles we have discussed? Means right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle. So right angle measures 90 degree. Acute angle is smaller than 90 degree. It measures 0 degree to 90 degree. Between 0 degree to 90 degree. And the obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. It measures between 90 degree to 180 degree. Understand? See the next one. This is a straight angle. It measures 180 degree. Okay.
Thank you, children. We learned about angles in this video. We will continue this lesson in the next video.